So we got to hear from our founder, Misty Kirby, regarding her whole take on this past pandemic and also the things that she had to celebrate. So 10 years of celebrating, 10 incredible years, 10 years of parties, 10 years of empowerment. Now that's a reason to celebrate. She asked God to move mountains, and guess what? He gave her a shovel. In her own words, the paparazzi business is insane. During this pandemic, the tasks at hand were daunting, disappointing, and even crushing. See, Mistys responsibilities include overseeing all the manufacturing, designing, logistics, and shipping of every product that we sell, wear, and buy. Now that's amazing. She also oversees the Chinese office. Now, during this global pandemic, she was basically given the task to reinvent all the systems and means of communication that she had with the office in China. Now, with that being said, being able to design and manufacture 3 full seasons, rotating 5 days a week, was a reason to celebrate. The thing with Misty Kirby, though, she was able to celebrate huge projects and huge accomplishments, but she wasn't able to celebrate the little things in life. She is passionate to the core. She's passionate about everything that she loves. Now, she even said, if you get any part of her, you get 3,542% of her. No matter how many times she's faced tasks that are daunting, she always achieves and overcomes them. These last 18 months have really pushed her over the edge. She has learned invaluable lessons during this whole time, something that really changed her from the inside out. She's asking us to believe in people. You see, at the root of things to celebrate, it's people, experience, triumphs, failures, and most importantly, love. When you believe in people, you truly see what they are capable of and what they are meant to be, why they are here. You will celebrate like you've never celebrated before. And as I was saying earlier, when she was saying she couldn't appreciate the little things that she accomplished, you need to believe in yourself. You need to root for yourself. You need to know that you can accomplish anything that you put your mind and heart to. As she was closing out the general session, she said this: I know this. Sometimes you will shovel gravel. Sometimes it'll be a little bit lighter dirt. Sometimes it'll be hot. Sometimes you'll shovel it in the cold and you'll need a coat. Sometimes you'll be dying of thirst. But this I know without a doubt: you will never shovel alone. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you get notified when I post the next video. Now, if you are interested in joining the Shine with Aloha team, please contact me through email at shinewithaloha@gmail.com. I'd love to answer any questions that you have. Be blessed, and don't forget to let God's light and love shine through you. Aloha.